So it is 6:30 in the morning. Just woke up. We're gonna go get some coffee right from the little place right down here. We can buy food. Alright, so the sun is rising right here behind us. It's amazing. It is beautiful. It's rising right over there on that mountain. Like right when the sun started coming up, all the birds started chirping and getting excited. And our coffee's ready, so we can go grab that. Follow that beautiful woman right there in front of me. Haha, I love Micha. Oh yeah? I don't even know what that means.
And this one is Oaxacan chocolate.
Oaxacan hot chocolate. Coffee. There we go. Sit right here. Watch the sun come up. Drink your coffee. We walked up off where we were renting. We walked into town and there was a truck here that's selling pottery, clay pottery that they made. A bunch of different kinds. All the different kinds. Clay pottery. They got like piggy banks. These are like little piggy banks. Put your money in. These are napkin holders.
This is for your tequila.
Tequila shot. Tequila shots. All kinds of different stuff. Big plates. Cups. This one's got a face. Alright, so we're here in Pluma Hidalgo and we're getting ready to go to the waterfall. We're just waiting on the little moto taxi thing to come pick us up. And then we're going to go there and check it out and see what it's like. Supposedly it's cold. Some videos I saw, there were people like jumping off rocks into the water under the waterfall. So I brought my swimming stuff just to try it out. And Sammy brought his swimming stuff too, right bud? Sammy, where's my swimming? Yeah, we're going swimming. Alright, the moto taxi I think's on its way and then we're going to get on and go.
aquí en Oaxaca, pero cuando es temporada de lluvia aquí ya no se puede pasar. Solo estamos allá a la pura.
Dame el agua.
Está.
Se levantó rápido.
Ya está. Wow. Wow, mira. Alright, here we are at the waterfall.
Porque no hay nieve. No cae nieve.
Wow. Alright, well, we're here at the waterfall. This is beautiful. It's big. It's a rough road to get down here, and I'm guessing the water is probably really cold, but I got my swimming stuff on. Sammy's going with me, right, bud? We're gonna go swimming? Yeah, let's go swimming.
Que se llama Tres Cruces, entonces ahí eso toma de agua y va hasta allá a la finca.
Entonces este camino no es del pueblo.
No, este sí.
He's saying this water right here, that tube that it goes to one of the plantations that are up there, and they use this water to clean the coffee beans after they pick them. Once they pick them, they use this water. It runs over to their plantation, and then they clean the coffee beans. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's beautiful. Alright, so we're getting ready to go in the water. It's really cold. Look. It's really cold. Come on. Oh. There's a whole bunch of these little tadpoles. Underwater footage. Alright, we're gonna go into the water. So cool. There's the waterfall. Sammy, come on, Raiden. Alright, so I went in the waterfall. The water is cold, but it's awesome, very refreshing. It's fun. That was really cool. Right, buddy? Yeah. Yeah. Got there's a whole bunch of little tadpoles. That's the waterfall. That's a bunch of little tadpoles in the water. Alright, I think I'm gonna go in one more time. One more time and then I'm done. Oh, nice. Got all these tadpoles. I'm gonna try to catch one. Oh, there you go. I think I got one. Oh, no. There we go. There we go. I got one. I got one. I got one. There it is. Little tadpole. There we go. Let's let him go. There he is. On my hand. There we go. We got like a whole bunch of tadpoles right here. They all go up under. We're gonna go under the water and get some underwater footage. Alright, this is going to end our trip here at the waterfall. I wanted to get some underwater footage of where the water was hitting the waterfall.